If you have rupees 2.32 crores ex-showroom to pay for on a car that is big, luxurious, and it will stand out from the crowd, you can buy this, the Lexus LX 450D. Of course, you also have the option of getting a gasoline guzzler, the LX 570, but then it's all up to you if you want to buy a diesel car or if you want a petrol car. Welcome to Shifting Gears, people, and just as I mentioned, this is the Lexus LX, and this is as big as it can get in the SUV department with the Lexus brand. अब जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, I am 5 feet 8 inches in height, but just look at this car behind me. It is a behemoth. It is more than 5 meters in length. It is close to 2 meters in width, and it is just such a big, brawny SUV. If you like more real estate on wheels, अगर आपको बड़ी गाड़ियाँ पसंद है, this is surely going to please you. This will definitely massage your ego, and this LX 450D is surely going to grab some attention and turn heads every time you park it somewhere where people are looking at. जब आप फ्रंट प्रोफाइल से इस गाड़ी को देखते हो, you can notice the typical Lexus spindle shaped grille. It looks nice. There is plenty of chrome accents all around. There is this gunmetal grey finish over here, and it looks good. It adds to the macho appeal of the car. अगर आप किसी गाड़ी में आगे चल रहे हो, in front of the Lexus LX, you are going to have your rear view mirror covered only with this grille. Forget the car. The car is just too big to be accommodated in your rear view mirror. Overall, front profile से the car is very sharp, very in your face, and definitely leaves an impression. When you look at the headlamps, you have this 3-pot all LED projector beams with these LED DRLs, which again are striking to say the least. And you have cornering lamps as well, which are positioned lower down over here, which are also your fog lamps. And they function brilliantly when you're driving at night. After that, when you come to the side profile of the car, you can notice just how high this car is. Currently, हमने इसकी ride height at its highest रखी है because we've driven a little off the road and it was a little broken terrain over here. So this is at its highest setting. Right now, the Lexus LX 450D stands the tallest that it can, and it is a big car. There is no denying that fact. You can notice there are plenty of crease lines. You can also notice that bulge line on the bonnet, which is very visible when you are driving the car also. अगर आप इसकी सीट जो है ड्राइवर सीट at its lowest भी रखोगे, फिर भी आप उस bonnet का bulge line अच्छे से notice कर सकते हो. It makes you feel that you are driving something very nice, big and punchy. Then you can see that the car is long. It's massive. You get this fixed integrated side step which looks very nice and clean. और इस पे ये जो finish है, it works very well so that your feet do not slip. So it is going to add some security when you're getting in and out of this car. Also, because you need to make use of that to get inside, this is a tall car. The only negative on the overall profiling of the car are those alloy wheels. We think that they are just too plain Jane. They are very vanilla-like, and we did not really like the overall design. These could have surely been better looking for a car that is going to cost upwards of 2.5 crore rupees on the road. But then, although I do not have to mention the standard detailing on a car of this cost, but still for the heck of it, you get chrome accents on the door handles, chrome sills around your window areas, and you have a satin finished roof rail as well. And then coming to the rear profile, again the Lexus LX 450D. Look at this, it is massive, isn't it? You have the typical L-shaped LED tail lamps. They look very nice. एक अच्छा chunky chrome element यहाँ पे tail lamp के ऊपर भी ऐड किया है. It looks nice. 3D element है, काफी अच्छा दिखता है. You have your variant branding over here, your Lexus badge, and then over here you get this plastic cladding. However, ये ज्यादा scratch होने वाला section है ही नहीं, क्योंकि जब आप इसका tailgate open करते हो, it has a split design, and just look at this. It opens the upper half first, and then you have to manually open this lower end, which allows you access to its massive boot space. Just look at how much space there is in the boot of the Lexus LX. ये गाड़ी एक 5-seater SUV है. This is not a 7-seater car even as an option. इसके जो rivals हैं, they offer 7 seats. Rivals की अगर बात करेंगे तो you can consider the likes of the Range Rovers. And also, just for the heck of it, इसकी badge engineered sibling, the Toyota Land Cruiser LC200. this is a Toyota Land Cruiser in its truest sense, but it has been re-engineered for the Lexus badge. And although it does justice because it is a Lexus, we really think that you can also make do with a Toyota because that's what it is. Tailgate बंद करने के लिए आपको lower and manually बंद करना पड़ता है, and to close the upper half, just press this button and walk to the front and get going. So that's about the design of the car. It is good looking, but if you look at the overall proportions, it might not really add up very well. If you look at the car dead sideways, you will notice that the front end design doesn't really mingle well with the overall profile of the car. That's because at the front end, the car is very sharp and edgy, but then it turns out to be a little flat and boxy towards the rear. But that's our perspective. You might really like it. डिजाइन इज सब्जेक्टिव. आप लोगों को पसंद आ सकती है, कुछ लोगों को बिल्कुल ही पसंद नहीं आएगी, एंड सम पीपल माइट जस्ट मेक पीस विद इट बिकॉज दे वांट अ लेक्सस बैज इन देयर गैराज एंड इन अ बिग वे.